I've been selling AI images online every day for over 3 months now, and during that time, I've tried and done just about everything. I have tried more than 10 platforms, different aggregators. I was a freelancer and even started this YouTube channel to record my journey and share with you my personal experience. To be honest, 3 months ago, I didn't expect to make any money on AI projects, but now I realize that this is real, and what's more, it's real business. After 3 months of daily work, I realized what you should pay attention to in order to make your AI business grow. And so today I would like to tell you about the 10 things I wish I knew 3 months ago when I started my journey from scratch that will help you gain the audience faster and make money with AI and other digital products. What's up fams, this is your boy Still 17. I'm a musician, producer and part-time designer who's been in this field for more than 8 years. And today I'm gonna continue the theme of my last video and tell you about 10 important things. My 10 personal advice every AI digital artist should know if they want to make some money online. But before we move on to our AI activities, I will ask you to hit the like on this video and subscribe on this live channel so not to miss other videos about artificial intelligence, design and hustle. This is my first video in this format, so your likes will be the main indicator for me guys. So hit the like if you like this type of content. Thank you for your attention, enjoy watching, and we are ready to start. A couple of months ago I had a completely different understanding about AI and how to sell it and how actually AI market works. I watched a lot of YouTubers, checked a lot of guides and manuals, but still didn't know where to start and actually where to go because I didn't see any clear results, or it required investments like advertisement and any stuff like this, which I didn't have. And yeah, I understand friends that those who are watching this video are either just starting their AI business or can start making money with AI even after all the YouTube guides and tutorials. So let's start with the simplest topics and then with the more complex points that help me personally get my workflow, understand what works and what doesn't, save a lot of time and start making some money on AI. So the first place to start is schedule. No one likes to keep schedule, I understand guys, but to make your work effective, you need a clear idea of what you are trying to achieve and where are you going. If we are talking about sales, our goal is profit, make as much money as we can. Personally, I have a schedule where every hour of my time planned a week in advance, and at the end of the month I can analyze what I was doing, how much time I spent on it, and most importantly what it brought in the end of the month. If some of this activity didn't bring me anything, I simply delete it from my schedule. So friends, if you want things to run like a clockwork, make a schedule and follow it. That's not hard at all. To start doing AI projects and make some sales, you need about an hour a day. So make your schedule and we move on. So the second tip, don't stop at one platform. Upload your content to several different platforms at the same time. Include one more stock site in your schedule so you can test the features and see what works best for you in a month. If you can earn $20 on the platform A, for example, and the platform B bring you only $2, then abandon the platform B. Leave platform A in your schedule for the next month, and the time dedicated to platform B spend on the new platforms, on the new sites, on new resources. Next, not an important tip, is the content. Content should be appropriate. Your content should have the vibe and fit perfectly at the platform market. For example, the AdobeStock. This is a perfect platform where you can sell illustration on the theme of technology or maybe nature, but such content as game dev or maybe other digital art like NFT arts or something like this doesn't work at all. And you know after watching my videos, for digital art, for NFT, for game dev, ArtStation is better. If you take photos, you better off publish your work on Getty Images, and for vector graphics, Shutterstock is the best. Each platform has its own niche and you need to figure it out. Tip 4. Use the experience of the best sellers. On almost every platform, you can look at the month's most popular sellers and analyze what they do, how often they do it, what topics they use, what tags they use, and more. But there is an important point here. Even if you don't like bestsellers content, try doing something in a similar style or theme. Expand your horizon of understanding commercial design and approach to it. You know, the stock sites is not about your creativity, your personality like as an artist, but about selling trending images quickly. So next point. In these 3 months, I've noticed that if a platform has own advertisement system and allow you to promote your products for a small fee, you're likely to earn less or nothing at all than on other platforms that promote your work independently and without any investment. These are usually print on the main platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. Of course, honestly, I've seen some cases where people were able to earn something without any investment on these platforms, but it was really small sales. So if you want to make some kind of passive income without investing money, I wouldn't consider print on the main platforms. Tip 6. Stay up to date. Sign up for the news, find new opportunities, test different applications, different platforms, because what worked yesterday may no longer be needed today. The AI market, like the whole e-commerce market, is changing very fast, so you need to keep your eye on it. By the way, if you want to know all interesting AI news of the last week, you can check my new weekly digest by the link somewhere here or in the description or pinned comment. So subscribe to the channel to stay in tune with all AI news, and so do not miss the chance to explore something new and earn some money. By the way, about earning money, my tip 7, always use the trial mode in all applications before buy it. Even if you have an extra money, the point of passive income is that you get more than spend. For example, if you're an AI artist and want to sell AI images and just starting your way into selling AI art, use Leonardo AI or explore Stable Diffusion and save 10 to 30 bucks on the Midjourney subscription. Yes, Midjourney is super cool application, but right now this is not time to say Midjourney is only player beyond the competition. So check all opportunities and save your money. This also applies to the following advice: you don't need to start with the big projects right away. You don't need to put in a hurry over 1,000 works a day on AdobeStock, guys. No, take your time, guys. Moderate your ambitions to earn money. You don't get much right away, that's true. Even the passive online earning on AI takes some time. You have to figure it out what works, how to optimize your time, what images and how much of them you have to put on. It all takes time. Your accounts will slowly but surely gain in sales. All of these are not quick process. Instead of think about the big money right away, it's better to focus on your content, on your niche, and little by little you start getting your money. More and more with every week, with every day of working. And sooner you start figuring it out, the sooner you can get more. The key is start and keep at it. Tip 9. AI freelancing doesn't work. I personally set 2 months on Fiverr, on Upwork, try to make any orders, underpriced, publish a lot of services, and so on. On Upwork, I even offer my services for free, just for a good review, but all was in vain. If you think that on AdobeStock it's hard to find your niche, you are actually wrong. Just look at the Fiverr. Of course, you can create an account on Fiverr or on Upwork and publish your service. Maybe I was just unlucky or did something wrong, but I wouldn't get my hopes for any sales or orders. The freelance AI market has long been divided by people and professional managers who saw the potential of AI just when it started. And so yeah, last but not least, my last tip: use social media to promote your work and yourself as an artist. Yes, I know I talked about it every video, but without Twitter posts, Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram, or other sites and social media platforms, for me it's my YouTube channel for example, where you will exhibit your work, share your experience, hell yeah, create a YouTube channel, why not? Most likely without social media activity, your sales will not grow. You need to go a little beyond the stock sites and PR your artwork on other social networks. You can even write some posts on Reddit. Why not? Share your work or maybe some prompts. The important thing is to get the person's attention, so the media resources is really important topic. So yeah, this is my main tips about the sales. Of course, I can tell you some more about it, about different market analytics, about different techniques, but these 10 points come to mind first. And I think without them, no analysis or other ways will help you, because this is a basic of any business. Without a goal, without schedule, without planning, without cost and revenue accounting, without PR and media, your whole business probably won't work. You may think it's complicated, it's like a job, it probably for some people, but if you don't change your attitude, you probably won't be able to see why you're not getting enough sales, no matter what your goal is. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it was interesting, I hope it was informative. informative for you. Tell me if you have any schedule and what you achieve in AI market during this time. I'm really interesting, so let me know in the comment, guys. And it was still 17. See you the next week. Bye. Say hi.